Hi beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is yours Nishita and I am back again with brand new video. So yes guys, I know that you guys are really shocked seeing me here after so long, but I am really sorry about it and I'm really sorry about ghosting you guys all the time. But I really needed some personal space, which I made sure I took one, and I really did. So now onwards you will see me continuously. So today's video is something which I really don't want to make, or I never thought of continuing this topic again and again. But since you guys really need help regarding this, I am back with it. So yeah, why not? If you guys are asking help for it, then I'm here to help you out. So actually what I decided was to close this chapter because this was like a nightmare to me. The job which I really wanted to do, the company which I really wanted to work with, and one of my dream company, I scattered, or whatever happened, that is just a nightmare to me. So I don't want to remember again and again. I was just scrolling that and I was just looking at your comments, and I found that many of you really need help regarding it. So why not? So that is the reason why I am here today. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, without doing any further delay, let's begin the video. So I'd like to keep this video really short and sweet. So without doing any delay, let's begin the video. And just to update you guys, I am not working with Indigo anymore. I am working with Amazon, and yes. So this question which I am answering to is in the basis of my experience, and whatever is true to my knowledge, or whatever is in my knowledge, I am sharing you guys. So yeah, if there is any mistake regarding it, then you guys are free to correct me in the comment section. I won't mind it, okay? So first thing first, I'm gonna answer the comments which you guys have posted on my video. And actually this is the questions which you guys asked me, so I'm gonna give answer to each and every questions of yours. And please do not skip the video because I will be sharing very important point within a minute. So please watch this video thoroughly. So first question, could you please tell me what questions they ask in the online assessment? So in the online assessment, basically they will ask you 10 multiple questions which consist of mathematics. So there will be 10 mathematical questions which you have to just take the correct answer, which is very simple. That's just addition, subtraction, I'm so sorry, subtraction, multiplication, division, whatever. Another thing, they'll ask you some situational question regarding the airport scenario. They'll just give you a situational question or whatever like that. If customer comes to you disappointed and it's shouting at you regarding the flight delay, whatever, and you guys know last year what happened with Indigo, so you guys might get question regarding that, and they will tell you how will you handle that. So they will ask you that, okay? So you will get two questions regarding it. So you guys, I'll just say, don't make your answer perfect, just reply it from your heart and just communicate well. Don't fumble, don't pause, just speak. And third thing you will get is the typing one. They'll give you a topic, same the scenario topic kind of thing. You guys have to write a paragraph and explain how will you handle it. So the assessment is pretty simple, it's not even hectic, so you guys can crack it. All the best. Another thing, ma'am, I'm in the final year engineering and I don't have graduation certificate, but I have all the marks card till current semester and got shortlisted for interview. Can I go or not, ma'am? Yes, you definitely can go. If you are shortlisted for the interview, then you can proceed, because there are many people who were not graduated, but still they were working in Indigo, and I guess they are working in Indigo. So you guys can go give it a try. If you have luck, then definitely you'll pass. Another question, explain very well. Oh, that's not the question, that's feedback. Thank you so much. Do they check teeth alignment? No. If you're asking for ground staff, then no, the teeth alignment is not necessary. If you are asking for crew, then yes. My interview timing is 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Is it mandatory to reach there at 9 a.m. or can we go between? See, if you are invited for the interview, then please take your interview very seriously. This is not joke, okay? This is something which which many people dream of, and if you are getting chance, then you guys should grab and reach there by time, and at whatever time you are called, it's better for you all, because they will exactly start at whatever time it is mentioned. So you guys should go there by time, and because it's all about your punctuality. They will also, it's not only about the interview which you are talking in front of HR or everything like that. They will also see a punctuality, and they'll also see a timing. So you guys have to be, so my suggestion to you, yes, go there by time. Ground staff air interview kothay hoy. I'm not Bengali and I don't know how to speak Bengali, but I do understand Bengali. So ground staff का interview you'll get in every parts of India. So West Bengal का basically होता है सिलीगुड़ी में, कोलकाता में, सभी में होता है. So सिलीगुड़ी में I guess Emporium conduct करते हैं. So you guys can follow Emporium का page. I'm not promoting any page, but वहाँ पे होते हैं. I know that because my friends were also hired from Emporium only. Oh, ground staff is tough. So मैं ये सभी को बोलना चाहती हूँ, like it's not about tough and everything. Every job in this world is tough. Every job is very much tough, but it's only about the fact that how well can you handle. Okay, so Indigo is the best company. I won't say Indigo is a bad company, this and that. Indigo is good company. It's only about the workload. So अब जब I never went for on ground work, I just quit from my training, so I don't have the experience regarding it. But since my friends are working there from since 4 to 5 months, many of them are since 1 to 2 years, so someday I'll be happy to share their point of view in this channel, so you guys can watch it. But toughness, it's all up to you. How well can you handle the situation and the work? So yeah, tough सभी काम होते हैं. Second year student apply कर सकते हैं क्या? No. So if you have experience, अगर 2-3 साल का experience है, अगर prior किसी और company में काम कर रहे थे ground staff में, तो yes, you guys can. But अगर आप fresher हो, then you guys won't. So yeah. Can you please tell questions they ask? So as I already mentioned about the this assessment questions, so interview में they'll only check your communication. They will tell you, they will ask you to introduce yourself. So I ask you, or I request you all to make your introduction very very good, because my name is this, my name is that, I am from this. वो तो हर कोई बोल देते. Make your, this is the time of ChatGPT, Gemini, so make your introduction little bit fascinating and exciting, so that HR लोग भी थोड़ा excited हुए to know more about you. क्योंकि there are thousands of people who is doing interview and they are listening to each and every one of them. So अगर सब लोग अपना नाम तो basically बोलना ही पड़ेगा, लेकिन सब लोग एक ही rhythm, एक ही style से बोले तो they will also get irritated, they will also get bored, like कुछ interesting ही नहीं आ रहा है, वैसा होता है. So I request you all to just make an introduction a little bit exciting or fascinating, so that HR भी oh wow हो जाए. Because मेरा तो introduction वैसा ही था, so my HR loved me in a first glance. But maybe I'll share those things, how to make an introduction, this and that in another video. लेकिन अभी के लिए बस इतना ही ओके कि तो क्वेश्चन वो लोग वैसा नहीं, बस आप लोग को इंट्रोडक्शन बोलने को बोलते हैं, उसी में जज कर देते हैं और बोलता है वाई एविएशन, वाई कस्टमर सर्विस। तो ये सब बेसिक कस्टमर सर्विस के रिगार्डिंग और एविएशन के रिगार्डिंग है, दे आस्क यू। ओके, देयर इज नो टफ क्वेश्चन, वरी अबाउट इट। ओके, इज पासपोर्ट मैंडेटरी टू अप्लाई? Yes, it's really mandatory to apply. They'll ask you for your passport in the first go. Once you get selected, they'll ask for your passport. Okay, so even if you don't have passport in hand, just make sure you apply before going to the interview and you have that application or receipt, whatever you get from passport office, you make sure you carry that because वो लोग मांगता है। मैम मेरा ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट डन के बाद यू हैव बिन शॉर्टलिस्टेड फॉर इंटरव्यू आ रहा है, लिखा हुआ है, अभी तक वेन्यू और डेट मेल नहीं आया। सो इट माइट टेक 1 year, not 1 year, 1 month, 2 to 3 weeks, so please don't rush, you will get it. ओके, आ जाएगा, नो वरीज। अगर शॉर्ट लिस्ट हो चुका है तो आएगा, डेफिनेटली आएगा। आई एम परसुइंग ऑनलाइन ग्रेजुएशन डिस्टेंस लर्निंग, सो कैन आई अप्लाई? नो, as I said, अगर experience हो prior company में तो you guys can apply, but freshers you guys need the graduation certificate and it's really mandatory. Okay, after walk-in interview, ground staff, how many days does it takes to receive a email? It took me 7 days, at least a week, for me to receive email जहाँ पे they asked me about my police verification, I guess. Yes, a week, but it will take more than that also. Please don't panic. Even if you don't receive your email within a week, you guys can contact your HR, whosoever was conducting your interview. You guys can contact them via email. Okay, you guys can ask them. मैंने एक बार अप्लाई किया था बट मैं सेलेक्टेड नहीं हुई, तो रिटर्न कब अप्लाई कर सकते हैं? 3 months. Yes, 90 days. 90? Yes, 90 days, which is around 3 months. Because assessment में आप लोगों का सब वो होता है, रिकॉर्ड होता है, तो 90 days बाद ही आप लोग another assessment दे पाओगे। SCAR. So if you're asking for ground staff, then SCAR is not mandatory, and if you're asking for crew, देन आप लोगों को कूट के लाइट में ले जाके कहाँ घाम के नीचे ले जाके सब में देखते हैं। तो क्रू के लिए स्कार इज, दे विल सी योर स्कार, विजिबल स्कार, कंसील इट वेल। इट्स नॉट दैट जो लोग का स्कार है वो सेलेक्ट नहीं होगा, कंसील करना टैक्टिक्स होना चाहिए, अच्छे से कंसील करो बेटा, सो दैट दे कैन नॉट सी। ओके, और आप लोग जा सकते हो ग्राउंड स्टाफ के लिए, वो लोग नहीं देखता है, बस यूनिफॉर्म में विजिबल टैटूज नहीं होना चाहिए, जस्ट विजिबल टैटूज है तब भी कंसील करके तो जा सकते हो। मेनी ऑफ देम वॉर देयर टैटू के साथ कंसील करके जा सकते हो, बट दे विल आस्क यू। मैंने अप्लाई ऑनलाइन किया है बट कोई कॉल नहीं आया, इसमें मैं कुछ भी नहीं बोल सकता, कॉल नहीं आएगा, यू विल गेट द ईमेल। सो वंस यू गेट, you will definitely get the notification regarding it, or aa jayega, no problem. So many of you were really concerned about the questions which were asked in interview, but please do not worry, they won't ask you the what you call the hum kya padhte the, they won't ask you any formula, they won't ask you anything physics का, वो कुछ नहीं पूछते। वो इंडिगो में क्या सीट है, इंडिगो का वो क्या है, कुछ नहीं पूछता है, बस कस्टमर सर्विस और एविएशन के बारे में they'll ask basic question. Just make a note of this question, okay? Since you guys are really asking about it, I request you guys to make the note of these questions. They'll ask why customer service, why aviation, why Indigo, Indigo क्यों? And there are many other companies as well who is hiring for ground staff. Other company में क्यों नहीं गया, क्यों Indigo में आ रहे हो? And why ground staff? क्यों crew क्यों नहीं, क्यों दूसरा job क्यों नहीं? वाई ग्राउंड स्टाफ. सो ये बस वो लोग शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस लेकिन अप टू द मार्क्स पूछते हैं. यू गाइज ऑल्सो हैव टू रिप्लाई इन वेरी शॉर्ट लेकिन अप टू द मार्क. इतना एक्सटेंड करो ये हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, पैसा का दिक्कत हो रहा है, दिस एंड दैट, देन सीधा एक्सपेक्ट करो यू गाइज आर रिजेक्टेड. बस HR के आगे फंबल नहीं होना है, नर्वसनेस नहीं दिखाना है. कैरी अ बिट ऑफ स्माइल, डोंट बी लाइक this and that. Just carry a smile, a light smile, and reply your answer pleasantly. Okay, not being so harsh, not being like तुम लोगों ने मुझे बुलाया और मुझे आना पड़ा, this and that. Just be very gentle and like हो जाएगा. हेलो मैम, मेरा इंटरव्यू क्लियर है पर 2 वीक से ज़्यादा हो गया मेल नहीं आया, और मैम सिलेक्शन के बाद क्या क्या मेल आता है. सो एक महीना तक टाइम लगेगा. अगर इंटरव्यू होने के बाद भी यू विल हैव टू वेट फॉर अ मंथ बिकॉज टाइम लगता है. इट्स नॉट अ कप ऑफ केक जो 2 रात में हो जाए. इट्स वेरी लॉन्ग प्रोसेस. उसके बाद आता है PVC PCC का प्रोसेस, मेडिकल्स होता है आप लोगों का, एंड यू नो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन होता है, रिमेनिंग डॉक्यूमेंटेशन. सो या, are you selected for customer service? Yes, I was selected for customer service, which I left, and I am doing customer service in different company. Okay, what is the salary for freshers? So if you are speaking or talking about ground staff, then थोड़ा अपना क्या बोलता है, थोड़ा अपना सीट पे बैठिए क्योंकि don't expect much. Okay, salary depends upon the place where you are working. If you are working in metropolitan cities, then you might get थोड़ा ज़्यादा. If you are working in semi metropolitan cities, थोड़ा कम. If you are working in non metropolitan cities, then बहुत कम. So starting होता है 18,000. You guys are not ready for this, I know, but starting salary for freshers is 18,000. लेकिन 18,000, let me say 18,000 to 28,000 कहीं पे भी बीच में मिल सकता है. तो yeah, that was it about today's video, and I hope you guys got all the answers, and I guess I won't be proceeding forward with this journey of mine again and again. So I am deciding to close this topic right here, right away. And lekin don't worry, if you guys have any questions, then you guys can ask me in my comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. And also currently I'm working in Amazon, and I'm really loving the experience which I'm getting in Amazon, and I'm really loving the fact that the company is treating me well, and I'm feeling genuinely happy in this company. And just for your reference, if in the future if I get to work with Indigo, then I would love to work with them, but not as a ground staff but as a crew. And I really enjoyed my journey, and I love my journey. I still remember the journey, and I get water in my eyes, and I cannot tell you all how beautiful that memory is for me, and I really appreciate my journey. So if you guys are applying for Indigo, then please enjoy. If you guys are selected, then congratulations. Please make sure you guys enjoy your iFly days. It's if you guys are selected for security, it's for 15 days. If you guys are selected for ramp, it's for I guess 15 days. If you guys are selected for customer service, it's for 30 days. 30 days बोलता है वैसे, लेकिन 45 days जैसा होता है. But whatever it is, I suggest you guys to please enjoy your journey, your iFly journey, because that will not come back. And the iFly journey which you live is really beautiful, and the trainers there are very beautiful. You'll get to learn a lot from iFly, a lot. You will get many knowledge from iFly, and that's what it makes Indigo beautiful. You'll get many knowledge जो आपने बाहरी दुनिया में नहीं सीखा. You'll get to learn in iFly. You'll get to enjoy each and every bit of your training in a iFly. So make sure you leave that moment, and please don't hesitate to apply for Indigo Ground staff. This is really nice job. This is really good job. It's just that मुझे वो जगह पसंद नहीं आया. मुझे दिल्ली में survive अकेले करना I found really heavy and hectic, alone, living in new city. That was not made for me, and that was not in my destiny. So nahi hua, so I am accepting it and I am moving on from it. But whatever I am now and whatever I am doing now, I am really happy, and I hope आप लोग भी वैसे खुश हो ये जॉब मिलने के बाद. And I hope every one of you who is watching this video, and every one of you who is applying for that job, I hope you guys succeed overall. Okay, I hope you guys succeed. So yeah, if you guys feel like it's getting heavy and I cannot do, or I need more help, then I am very much free to help you out. You guys can comment. You guys can also DM me in my Insta handle. This is my Insta handle, so feel free to contact me. I'll be more than happy to help you out. So yeah, this is it about today's video, and yeah, see you guys in next videos. So bye. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and bye.